Now we are going to see our sixth topic, that is triangle and its properties. Last year we have studied about triangles. So let us see again a triangle. A triangle is a simple closed curve made of three line segments. Means a simple curve, closed curve made up of three line segments is a triangle. For example, here if we observe the figure, triangle ABC, AB, BC and AC, these are the three line segments, and triangle is a closed curve. Triangle is a closed curve made up of three line segments. It has three vertices, A, B and C. These are the three vertices. These are the three vertices. Then in a triangle ABC, AB, the line segment AB is called a side of the triangle. Similarly, the line segment BC is called the side of the triangle, and the another side, that is AC, is also a side of the triangle. So these are the three sides, AB, BC and AC. These line segments are also called as sides of the triangle. Now there are three angles, means A, B and C. A, then B and C. These are the three angles. Here angle A can be represented as BAC or CAB. एंगल ए जो आहे तो आपल्याला तीन अक्षरांमध्ये सुद्धा दाखवता येतो आणि एका अक्षराने सुद्धा दाखवता येतो, एका लेटरने सुद्धा दाखवता येतो आणि तीन लेटरने सुद्धा दाखवता येतो. आता अँगल ए म्हणजे हा अँगल ए, या ठिकाणी अँगल ए हा असाही दाखवता येतो, म्हणजेच अँगल BAC यामध्ये जे मधलं अक्षर आहे, मधलं लेटर आहे ए, तो अँगल असतो. त्याच्यानंतर अँगल CAB अशा पद्धतीने सुद्धा अँगल ए दाखवता येतो, कारण इथं मधलं अक्षर, मधलं लेटर काय ते ए आहे, आणि म्हणून CAB म्हणजेच ए अँगल, BAC म्हणजे सुद्धा ए अँगल, आणि ए म्हणजे अँगल ए म्हणजे सुद्धा अँगल एच. म्हणजे एकच अँगल आपण तीन प्रकाराने वेगळ्या वेगळ्या पद्धतीने दाखवू शकतो. सिमिलरली अँगल B can be represented as angle ABC or angle CBA. Here the middle letter is B. Here also B. So the middle letter is the angle. It represents the angle. Similarly, angle C or angle ACB. Here this angle ACB or angle BCA. जे मध्ये अक्षर आलेला आहे तो अँगल धरायचा असतो C. So these are the angles, three angles of the triangle, angle A, angle B and angle C. And A, B and C, these are the three vertices of the vertices, that is plural of vertex. Vertices is the plural of vertex. Now the side opposite to vertex A means this, and its opposite side is BC. The side opposite to vertex B is AC, and the side opposite to vertex C is AB. In this way, we have seen some basic idea of triangle. Now we know that types of the triangles. Now these types are first based on side, and second is based on angles, and based on sides. Now first of all we will see the types of triangles based on sides. First is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means if we draw a triangle ABC, then length of AB, for example 2 centimeter, length of AC, for example it is 3 centimeter, and BC is 4 centimeter. Means no two sides of the triangle are equal. No two sides, any two sides of the triangle are equal. Here 2 and 4, these two sides are not equal. This is 2 and 3, these two sides are not equal. This is 4 and 3, these two also are not equal. And therefore if the sides, length of the sides of a triangle are not equal, then such a triangle is called as scalene triangle. Then our second type of triangle is isosceles triangle. If two sides of the triangle are equal, means length of AB equal to length of AC, or length of AB equal to length of BC. Any two sides of the triangle are equal, then it is known as isosceles triangle. कोणत्याही दोन बाजू जर इक्वल असतील तर त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? आयसोस्केल. आणि एकही बाजू इक्वल नाही, कोणतीच बाजू इक्वल नाही, तिन्हीच्या तिन्ही वेगळ्या लेंथ आहेत, तर त्याला आपण म्हणतो स्कॅलन ट्रायंगल. नाउ इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल means if all the three sides are equal. Here if we draw a triangle, here I have represented all these three sides by same mark. Here 1 1 1. Now if this is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter, and this is also 4 centimeter, means all the three sides are of a triangle are equal, then it is called as a equilateral triangle. So these are the three main types of the triangle based on the sides of the triangle. Now we will see the types of the triangle based on angles. We will see the types of the triangle based on angles. So first is acute angle triangle. Acute angle means if the measure of the angle is less than 90 degree, measure of the angle is 90 degree, then it is called as acute angle. Here it is seen that all the three angles are less. For example, this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, or this is 50 degree, and for example this is 80 degree, and this is 70 degree. Means 30 degree, 80 degree, 70 degree. Here all the three angles are less than 90 degree, then the triangle is called as acute angled triangle. Now, the second is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle, in a obtuse angle triangle, there is one angle is obtuse. Means if we consider the figure, then it is seen that the measure of this angle is greater than 90 degree. So angle B is obtuse angle and remaining two angles are acute angle. Means in a obtuse angle triangle only one angle is obtuse and remaining two angles are acute angle. For example, this is 110 degree, which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, and these two angles are acute angles, means less than 90 degree, and therefore such a triangle is called as obtuse angle triangle. And now there is one more type, that is called as right angle triangles. Here, if we draw a figure, then it is seen that here one angle is only 90 degree. Means in a right angle triangle, only one angle is a right angle and other two angles, these two angles are acute angle. These two angles are acute. Acute means less than 90 degree. So these are the types of the triangles which are based on sides as well as based on angles. Now we are starting our main topic, that is the triangle and its properties. And before starting, we have to see some concepts related to this topic. The first is median of a triangle. So what is it? It is very important. Mind way, for the point of geometry, our these medians, then altitudes, whatever we are going to study now, are very important. So first of all, we will see median of a triangle. Here, a median connects median. What is median? So directly I am telling you that the median connects a vertex. Here we have seen what is vertex, what is the opposite side, etc. We have seen. So a median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Here opposite side and vertex, you know. Here if we consider A, then it is a vertex and its opposite side is BC. Understand? Now the median connects a vertex A, and a triangle, vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite side. Here D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC, and therefore the line segment AD, which connects vertex and midpoint of the opposite side, is called as the median. So AD is the median. Now if we consider vertex B and the upper midpoint of side is AC, and if we join, then here BE is also called as the median. Similarly, from the vertex C and midpoint, we can draw one more median, CF. So to any triangle we can draw three medians. आपल्याला कोणत्याही ट्रायंगलला फक्त तीन मेडियन्स काढता येतात, म्हणजेच वर्टेक्स आणि त्याच्या समोरच्या बाजूचा मिड पॉइंट यांना जोडणारा जो लाईन सेगमेंट आहे त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, मेडियन. नाव हियर in the figure, the line segment AD joining the midpoint D of opposite side BC to the vertex A, and hence AD is the median of triangle ABC. Now to any triangle we can draw three medians, and median only lie in the interior of the triangle. ही जी median आहे पूर्णपणे ट्रायंगलच्या आतल्या भागात असते, बाहेर येत नाही कधी, ट्रायंगलच्या बाहेर कधीही काढायची नसते. सो AD that is fully lie in the interior of the triangle. So here we have seen what is meant by median, and now our next point is altitude. Our next point is altitude. So altitude, or it can be known as height of the triangle. Altitude is the height of the triangle. Why it is called height, we will see now. Now here the perpendicular line segment, the perpendicular line segment from the vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called an altitude of the triangle. Here if we consider the triangle ABC, and here we have to draw a perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side, that is opposite side of vertex A is BC, and we have to draw the only perpendicular, not midpoint. Means perpendicular means the line segment intersecting the opposite side in 90 degree or at a right angle. Means AL, it is right angle. If we draw here, dotted lines are shown, but these lines are not the perpendicular, only one line. Means through a point above the line segment, only one perpendicular segment or line can be drawn. Not more than one is possible. Means only one line which is perpendicular can be drawn. So here AL is only the perpendicular line, and perpendicular line or the perpendicular distance here A and L means BC. If AL is the altitude or height, then BC is the base of the triangle. Here it is, we can draw three altitudes. Means from the vertex B we can draw altitude. Also we can from the vertex C we can draw one more altitude. So in all, three altitudes can be drawn to any one triangle. Now here through each altitude, through each vertex, through each vertex one altitude can be drawn. So the perpendicular